Hi guys, it's your girl Ife and welcome to the first video of many. I am going to be putting in some contacts. These are lenses by TTDEYE. You can't actually see the colour. They are in Queen Brown, so okay, so I always start off with the brows, so we're going to just pin my bangs and all my baby hairs. Ooh, my eye. I'm going to take this, which is, I don't know if you can see it, it is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London. This is the like, oh, what's the name of it? The like quick foundation stick. This is the quick foundation stick. I normally use this as like to conceal my brows and all of that jazz. Don't ask me why, I just like to brush it out a bit. It's not so harsh. And then I take my quick stick foundation from Makeup Revolution and I am going to conceal these gosh darn brows. Try not to look too crazy. So they say that your eyebrows are meant to look like sisters, not twins. Mine look like friends. Today I'm not really focusing much on eye looks, so I'm just going to go straight in with my foundation. So yes, that does mean I'm that person who does their eyebrow makeup and their eyeshadow before their foundation. So I have no, this also is Makeup Revolution. I spilled a bit. There we go. This is also Makeup Revolution. This is their Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I love this. I have like 3 bottles of this. This is in the shade F16. It's like a warm, and then I take this brush thingy and I just, oh my phone, someone is hitting me up today. I just blend that in. Oh, my brows are hideously shaped. Like this one's like straight and then this one's like highly arched. I'll fix it. I'll fix it after. Go back in with this and just reshape this brow. Oh my god, like look at that. Like this one's like and then that one's like trying to think how I can save. I'm probably just gonna have to arch this one. I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow. Sorry, I'm packing on the shade Huntress, which is this brown shade here. And I'm just packing that into my crease. I'm going to get another shade of brown from the Pro Revolution, which is called Upper Hand, and it's this kind of orangey brown shade, and that's just gonna go on the top here. Lightly feather that in. Do that. This video is a mess. A mess. No wonder I've just never filmed this. This is why. Okay, this is why. God, comments on this video are just gonna be like, fuck you, the hell are you doing? Like, get off YouTube. YouTube is not for you. Okay, so once that is kind of blended in, I will take my Terracotta and a beauty blender and I will just pack it on under my eye like an idiot. If you're wondering if I'm like exaggerating the way I do my makeup, God, I've got it. Where did my eyeshadow? I'm not. This is generally how I do my makeup. All those looks you love, all the Japan stuff, this is what I do. But I actually like to apply the rest of my powder with it. Ooh, hair is like turning brown. Yeah, I just like to just in circles. Why we make strange faces when we're doing our makeup, I will never know, but I enjoy them. I enjoy just being like... Next is eyeliner. Because as I said, I'm not doing like anything too fancy. Now let us see what eyeliner shape my hand will bless me with today. Will it be wonky like my eyebrows, or will it actually be good? So let's have a look. Not bad. Okay, next is blush. I only, again by Makeup Revolution, the Angel Heart palette. I use this as a blush, this super pink eyeshadow. I just go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I don't actually have anything I contour with, so I just use eyeshadow because I'm messy. Like, I don't know. I just, my fan brush, I'm going to dip in to Kat Von D. I'm just going to, now trust in this process because obviously in all my photos my highlight is like popping. And then I'm going to go into, with this brush, into poolside. And then I'm just going to go over that pink. And then we get my small brush. Ooh. And we just I'm going to go into blue sky. Like so. Also, I do take my eyeliner again. I do have a small like mole here, and I just like to just add it back, like it's like there. The lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Lingerie lip color in Liply 02. and Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm not sure if I want this one or this one. Guess we'll just see. This isn't the lip liner I wanted, by the way. This is just, I already had one that I got. And then, what one? You know, because we're going for like an angelic ethereal, let's take the, because this is called Diamond Milk, so. I bet you all were like, that's enough lip gloss. No. Get out my way! There we go. One oversized lash on. Alright, it's not on, but it's like there. As you can see from this beautiful tutorial, I'm messy. And yeah. I should have put my hair down after. But hey, growth! It's actually... Play again. Whoop. Run away underlash. Hi. Thanks for watching this really messy I'm a catfish video. And I hope you like and subscribe, and bye!